Hey there! Managing debt and building credit doesn't have to be scary or confusing. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by financial jargon or unsure about your next step, you're not alone. Today we're breaking it down into simple, actionable steps, so you can take control of your finances with confidence. Let's do this! Let's start with the basics. Debt isn't always bad. Some types of debt can actually help you build wealth. Think about it. Very few people can buy a house with cash up front. On the other hand, high-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a huge drag on your finances. Imagine paying 20% interest on a $5,000 balance. That's money you could be investing or using to reach your financial goals. It's about understanding what kind of debt works for you and what kind is holding you back. Now let's talk about getting out of debt. There are two popular methods, the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method is all about building momentum. You list out all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. You make minimum payments on all of them, but you attack that smallest debt with everything you've got. Once it's gone, you roll it into the next smallest debt. The avalanche method is more strategic. You list out your debts from highest interest rate to lowest and focus your extra money on the debt with the highest interest rate. This method saves you the most money in the long run. Chapter 3. Credit Score Secrets. Your ticket to financial freedom. Your credit score is like your financial report card. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans, apartments, and even some jobs. A good credit score can unlock lower interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards, saving you thousands of dollars over time. So, how do you build good credit? It's all about demonstrating responsible financial behavior, paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and having a healthy mix of credit. Chapter 4. Credit cards, friend or foe. Credit cards can be a powerful tool if used wisely. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest. Set up autopay to never miss a payment and avoid late fees. Use your credit card for planned expenses only, not for impulse buys. If you wouldn't buy it with cash you have right now, don't put it on a credit card. Chapter 5. Action Plan. Level up your finances today. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. First, choose a debt repayment strategy that works for you. Whether you prefer the motivating snowball method or the strategic avalanche method, commit to a plan and stick to it. Start building or improving your credit score today. Check your credit report for free, identify areas for improvement, and start implementing those good financial habits. Finally, set financial goals and stick to them. Whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or investing for the future, having clear goals will keep you motivated and on track. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow financial tips. Start by implementing one thing you learned today, then another and another. You've got this. Financial freedom starts today.